Internal communications are undergoing a massive transformation, and AI is leading the charge. Workshop, a platform utilized by over 600 organizations, has just unveiled 4 groundbreaking AI features designed to revolutionize how companies connect with their employees. This marks a significant leap in the often overlooked realm of internal communications, a space where billions of messages are exchanged annually. With this launch, Workshop isn't just dipping its toes into AI, it's diving headfirst. They're among the first to leverage AI to streamline the entire internal communications workflow, from initial drafting and design to searching, summarizing, and analyzing employee engagement. These new capabilities, collectively known as Workshop AI, represent a comprehensive application of artificial intelligence specifically tailored for internal communications teams. Most companies communicate more with their employees than their customers, yet few are building AI tools specifically for that purpose, says Rick Knudtson, Workshop CEO and co-founder. Internal comms deserves its own AI moment. These new features are another step toward giving communicators tools designed just for them. Let's dive into the 4 key features reshaping AI for internal communications. Full message drafting inside Workshop's editor. Internal comms teams can now generate complete messages, perfectly aligned with their desired tone, target audience, and specific use case, directly within the email editor. Plus, subject lines and translations are just a click away. Instant AI image generation. Communicators can effortlessly create on-brand graphics simply by describing what they need, effectively eliminating a major bottleneck in visual storytelling. AI semantic search for media and past campaigns. Forget exact file names. Workshop AI understands your intent, surfacing the right asset, even if you only remember vague details like that one photo of the CEO with balloons. Plain language performance insights. Workshop AI translates complex campaign analytics into concise summaries, written like an analyst's report. This eliminates the need for cumbersome spreadsheets and manual reporting, making it easy to share insights with executives. All 4 features are available immediately, with no setup required. These releases fall under the umbrella of Workshop AI, a long-term strategy to help internal communicators work with greater clarity, speed, and confidence. While the name is new, the approach isn't. AI has been quietly shaping Workshop's product for years, assisting with writing, translations, analytic summaries, and everyday workflow shortcuts. Why is AI for internal communications such an untapped opportunity? Internal communications teams face increasing demands. More updates, more channels, and greater pressure to demonstrate impact. The work is high volume, high context, and often repetitive, making it a prime candidate for AI. However, most major AI advancements have focused on marketing, sales, or engineering, neglecting the communications discipline that reaches every employee every week. Internal comms has always been high impact and high volume, the perfect environment for AI to genuinely help, says Jamie Bell, Chief Marketing Officer at Workshop. But communicators need AI that understands trust, tone, and context. That's what we're building. Workshop AI is designed to meet this need, built upon 3 core pillars. Content generation to accelerate the process from a blank page to a polished message. Data insights to help teams understand what resonates and why. Workflow magic to subtly simplify routine tasks throughout the day. With over 250 million employee messages sent through the platform to date, Workshop possesses one of the industry's most extensive datasets for understanding communication patterns, which informs the ongoing evolution of Workshop AI. What's next for Workshop AI? Workshop is already developing additional capabilities across content, insights, and workflow, including conversational analytics that enables teams to explore engagement data through natural language questions. The Workshop AI Agent, a creative partner for building entire emails or pages from start to finish. Predictive insights that identify email fatigue or content saturation before they negatively impact engagement. These upcoming releases underscore Workshop's commitment to making internal communications simpler, smarter, and more strategic. About Workshop. Workshop is an internal communications platform designed to help teams create, send, and measure employee messages with clarity and ease. The platform combines a clean design with practical tools, powerful analytics, and an AI-infused workflow specifically tailored for internal communicators. Workshop is used by more than 600 organizations and has powered over 250 million internal messages to date. But here's where it gets controversial. While AI promises efficiency, some might argue that over-reliance on AI could diminish the human touch in internal communications. What do you think? Does AI enhance or detract from the authenticity of internal messaging? Share your thoughts in the comments below.